I'm Trae Morris. I'm the Associate Director of Auxiliary Services at Eastern Arizona College. We're a small community college that serves a rural part of Arizona. And the challenge that we had was trying to operate multiple payment systems. They didn't all speak to our general ledger. So we had, at the end of the day, employees having to manually enter their daily sales totals. Well, for us, what was the most appealing was having a solution that was all under one roof. In addition to running a separate payment system for the dining facility and our campus store, we also had multiple vendor accounts. So students would have a separate login to access their 1098T, different one to update their payment plan. Going with Illumia allowed us to have our students just have the single sign-on to access everything. Anybody that's gone through a ERP transition or any kind of change, really, it's difficult. Eastern Arizona College has a really great IT department, and they were able to handle and work well with Illumia with the technical side of things. But as far as building out the modules, understanding the product, I really required a lot of hand-holding. Change is hard, and institutional resistance to change is a real thing. Also, if you don't change, it's a recipe for failure, and in higher education, things are changing so quickly that it's important to have a partner that's at the front end of that change and will help you keep up with it, and we feel like we found that in Illumia.